Hello friends, people all over the world pray to God. They pray in special places called places of worship. Let's learn about some important places of worship. A temple is a place of worship for Hindus. People pray to God in a temple. They ring bells and offer flowers. A temple is a peaceful place. A mosque is a place of worship for Muslims. People pray together in a mosque. They sit quietly and pray. A mosque teaches peace and kindness. A church is a place of worship for Christians. People pray and sing songs in a church. Churches are calm and beautiful places. A gurudwara is a place of worship for Sikhs. People pray and listen to holy songs. Everyone is welcome. Food is shared with love. Temples, mosques, churches, and gurudwaras are different places of worship, but they all teach us to love one another, be kind, and live in peace. Respect all places of worship. Respect all people. Bye bye friends. See you again.